Day after the Supreme Court upheld the legal and constitutional validity of Section 6A of the Citizenship Amendment Act, the Hinatreb Youth Council of Meghalaya expressed concerns regarding the potential influx of illegal immigrants from Assam into Meghalaya following the judgment. Roy Kumar Sinrem, president of HYC, emphasized the need for laws similar to the inner line permit in Meghalaya to regulate the movement of outsiders, as the state currently lacks such legal frameworks. Sinrem highlighted that many individuals deported from Assam as foreigners might seek refuge in Meghalaya, raising fears about the implications for the state's demographics. The HYC has reiterated its demands for the implementation of the ILP and an exercise akin to the National Registrar of Citizens or the NRC, suggesting a cut-off year of 1971. Sinrem criticized both the central and state governments for their alleged lack of seriousness regarding these issues, particularly in the context of illegal immigration. He further warned that the absence of robust immigration controls could lead to a significant number of illegal immigrants entering Meghalaya due to its long boundary with Assam.
We have always made two demands regarding how to protect illegal immigration into the state of Meghalaya. One is the implementation of the ILP, and the other that we have demanded before this, the last government that we had also met the Deputy CM at that time. We have said that the problem with Meghalaya is not only that we share a border with Bangladesh, we also share a border with Assam. Now, with the recent judgment of the Supreme Court, in which it has upheld the Section 6A of the Citizenship Amendment, the Citizenship Act of 1985 or 55 as it is, we will understand that there will be some people who will be deported from Assam, or who will be chased from Assam, declaring them as foreigners. The brunt that will be faced, unlike in other states in the northeast who has ILP, these people after being chased from Assam, they'll have to come to Meghalaya, because in Meghalaya we don't have any laws which regulate the movement of people from outside the state or outside the country. So we understand that this judgment of the Supreme Court will have an impact on our state. We have also made a demand that the state of Meghalaya also should have an NRC-like exercise, so that those immigrants or who entered the state of Meghalaya before 1971 should be pushed back to where they came from. The central government and the state government, they are not serious about ILP, implementation of ILP in the state of Meghalaya. That is very clear. Of course, we have seen the statement made by the CM that how do Meghalaya implement ILP when it has not been enforced or given by the approval given by the center. But what we are concerned, or what we are disappointed, is that our state leadership is not taking this matter seriously.
And earlier yesterday, the five-judge Constitution Bench, comprising Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud, Justices Suryakant, M.M. Sundaresh, J.B. Pardiwala and Manoj Mishra, gave a 4-1 judgment upholding the section. Well, Section 6A is a special provision inserted into the 1955 Act in furtherance of a memorandum of settlement called the Assam Accord, signed on August 15, 1985 by the then Rajiv Gandhi government with the representatives of the Assam movement following the Indo-Pakistan War in 1971. The court's decision means that the non-resident Indians who came from Bangladesh between January 1, 1966 and March 25, 1971 are eligible for citizenship. And those who have gotten citizenship under this will retain their citizenship. The order came on a petition that contended that the arrival of Bangladeshi refugees had impacted the demographic balance of Assam. It said that Section 6A of the Citizenship Act violated the political and cultural rights of the original residents of the state. And at this point in time, let's take a quick look at the recent developments regarding the demand for ILP in Meghalaya and the concerns of the pressure groups and student bodies of the state regarding illegal influx. So the Khasi Students Union, or the KSU, had in July set up what it called an ILP check post to verify documents of people and vehicles entering Meghalaya from Assam. KSU leaders claimed that as many as 117 non-tribals were found working in shops and business establishments without labor licenses and EPIC cards. The KSU leaders said that the drive was carried out due to the government's delay in implementing the work permit system, Meghalaya, Residence Safety and Security Amendment Law, or the MRSSA, and the ILP in the state. The All Meghalaya Tourist Taxi Association has been demanding that taxis from Assam should not be allowed to ferry passengers to tourist spots of Meghalaya. Assam registration vehicles entering the state were stopped at several locations, but the situation is said to be under control now. On the ILP issue, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma had on the 19th of July this year said that the centre is still examining the proposal for implementation of the Inner Line Permit and the Meghalaya Residence Safety and Security Amendment Bill 2020. The Chief Minister also informed that the state government had also clarified to the centre that the MRSSA will not at all infringe into Article 19 of the Constitution. The ILP regime is in place in 4 northeastern states, namely Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Mizoram and most recently Manipur. As part of this, any Indian citizen who does not belong to the state is required to procure an official travel document called an Inner Line Permit or ILP issued by the state government concerned to visit or stay in these states. An Indian citizen who does not belong to these states cannot stay beyond the time period specified in the ILP.